Hello, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are going to see the difference between interpreter language and a compiler language. Python is an interpreter language, but what is actually meant by interpreted language? Before starting this video, if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to this channel because it's only the way you can get notifications of our upcoming videos. And please make sure you watch the entire series in sequence so you can get better understanding of the course. There are bundle of computer languages if you see like C++, Java, SQL and so on. These languages can be based on either compiled language or interpreted language, but a language cannot be compiled plus interpreted language at same time. I have shared a table in which you can see the differences between compiled language and interpreted language on your screen. So let's discuss them one by one. I am going to start with the interpreted language. So basically the interpreter language translates the code line by line and each line is known as a statement. It continues translating the lines until it finds any error. So as soon as in interpreter language it finds an error, it stops running the remaining code. So the debugging in interpreter language is easy. On other hand, a compiler language scans the entire program and translates the code as a whole. It generates the error message only after scanning the whole program, hence debugging is comparatively hard. It was the first and major difference between both of them. And another difference is it takes less amount of time to analyze the source code in interpreter language, but the overall execution time is comparatively slower. On other hand, in compiler language, it takes large amount of time to analyze the source code, but here the overall execution time is comparatively faster. And the interpreter language is memory efficient because there is no intermediate object code. On other hand, the compiler language is not memory efficient because it generates the intermediate object code which further requires linking. So that's why it's not memory efficient. The examples of compiler languages are C, C++, etc. And the examples of interpreter languages are Python, Java, Ruby, etc. I hope this video helps you to distinguish between the differences between both of them and to understand the basic concept of compiler language and interpreter language. And if you like this video, then don't forget to share it with your friends and social groups. And don't forget to subscribe our channel now if you want to get updates of our new videos.